bush food is called the Atherton Raspberry. And look at these gorgeous little, they're almost like raspberry berets. They're just beautiful, little squashed little raspberry fruits. And they have an excellent flavour. They're really fabulous fruits. And it's just starting to fruit. You can see them coming on the bush here, and there's plenty of flowers all over it as well. So we're just starting to crop them here. And we're just at the end of autumn at the moment, but it's a great bush food. Its only down thing is that it's covered in thorns, so you do need to put it in a spot where you're not going to be getting tangled up in its spiky little thorny nature. And you can also have it somewhere where you can actually mow over any suckers that happen to venture out of your garden. It's a great one for pots and a really fabulous bush food, the Atherton Raspberry.